HostGator Affiliate Program Full Review features strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The HostGator Affiliate Program is a well-known web hosting affiliate program offering high commissions and a flexible payout structure. HostGator is a reliable and affordable hosting provider, making it easy to promote to beginners and small businesses looking for budget-friendly web hosting. Affiliates earn commissions based on the number of referrals they generate each month, with payouts ranging from $65 to $125 per sale. The HostGator affiliate program offers a tiered commission structure, meaning the more sales you generate, the higher your per-sale payout. For example, earning $65 per sale for 1 to 5 signups per month, $75 per sale for 6 to 10 signups, $100 per sale for 11 to 20, and $125 per sale for 21 plus signups. The program provides custom tracking links, banners, and promotional materials, helping affiliates optimize conversions. Payments are made via PayPal or bank transfer, with a 45-day holding period before commissions are released. The affiliate dashboard offers detailed reporting, allowing affiliates to track performance in real time. Who is it for? This program is ideal for bloggers, digital marketers, and content creators in the website hosting, WordPress, and online business niches. It works especially well for those who create tutorials on website setup, blogging, or online marketing, as HostGator is widely used by beginners due to its affordability and ease of use. Those with traffic sources like SEO-driven blogs, YouTube channels, and email lists will benefit the most from this program. Strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest advantages of the HostGator affiliate program is its high commission potential, especially for affiliates who can generate volume. The brand is well established, which helps with trust and conversions. The flexible payout structure rewards affiliates for scaling their efforts, and the marketing materials make promotion easier. However, the downside is the 45-day waiting period for commissions, which accounts for refunds and chargebacks. Additionally, HostGator faces strong competition from other hosting providers like Bluehost, which may have better brand recognition. The lack of recurring commissions means affiliates only earn once per sale, rather than ongoing passive income. Final verdict. The HostGator affiliate program is a great option for affiliates looking to monetize web hosting-related content. With solid commissions and a well-known brand, it's a reliable choice for those who can generate consistent traffic. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.